Hi you guys, so I am back today with a Sultry red glittery lip. I'm gonna be using my lipstick kits today in the color Blessed, and I'm just gonna show you how you could amplify my lip kits with a gloss, a glitter, or just even matte. So today I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm just gonna use the color Blessed. And I have a tutorial out on my channel already of my lip kits and how they come. It's the dual pack. But I'm just gonna take the color Blessed. And today I'm not gonna really line my lips because the glitter is gonna be applied, so. But again, Blessed is a really true red. Like everyday red lipstick, you know. And if only my hair would lay down, but this is the shade Blessed. I just feel like this is like the perfect holiday red, just amazing. And I'm just gonna fill out my Cupid's bow, of course. That's that. She's on. And now I'm just gonna take some glitter pigment because it's the holidays. I was like, I want to be festive with you guys today, but see the true tone of these lip kits. And I just did that as a base, you know, because I didn't use a lip liner today with it, but just so the glitter could have something to adhere to, you know, or to go on with a second layer. And that's the best thing about my lipsticks, like they're not overpowering or over drying. You could build it up as much as you want, but I'm gonna take some red pigment and just let's glitter these lips. Oh, I love this lip. Oh my god. These lips gonna stay on forever. But making sure I fulfill all. And as we add the pigment, we're gonna make sure we set it into our liquid matte lipstick. If that doesn't give you Santa baby, I don't know what will. But I love Blessed, like as seen on my YouTube channel, on my lipstick tutorial. This is a really fun, festive holiday look, and I just love the simple fact that no transfer. Okay, like no transfer. Mwah. So this is my lipstick kit in the shade Blessed, as seen on my YouTube channel. And for the holidays, and because I'm feeling festive, I just added a red glitter pigment. But this is a fun sultry look that I'm doing right now. Let's get some slow-mos going. But yeah, right now I just want to like come on here and just do a quick little tutorial because it is after the holidays. You know, happy holidays, happy Christmas to everybody who celebrates Christmas, Kwanzaa, all that stuff. This is like really a fun, festive makeup look. It's like Smokey, sultry, but the lip is like the statement of the face, you know. And my lips do not feel like dry or cracked or anything. They just feel real protected. And even when I did that, they're not moving. And that's what I love about my liquid lipsticks. Like, they're non-transferable. Like, you're not gonna have any problems at all when it comes to kissing under the mistletoe or anything. As always, I am MUA Artist Anai on Instagram, so make sure you go follow my business pages and things like that nature. But y'all know I love a classy red lip. Like, you don't have to add glitter on top of it if you don't want to, but this is just my fun holiday vibe that I give all the time. But make sure y'all go follow my business pages. I have Creole Creations Cosmetics. That is where my products and services are located. And again, I am a makeup artist as well as an esthetician. So I have all types of facials, tutorials, and treatments on those accounts if y'all want to go check that out. And also I have my actual lipstick kits posted so you can see all the shades out on my channel. As of right now, this is the vibe that I'm giving you guys, because look, we're about to be in 2022. I just don't want y'all to know, like, this year coming is about to be extraordinary, and I pray that y'all stay along for the ride and continue to subscribe and continue to watch my videos. I'm so blessed to have the subscribers and the viewers and views that I do have, and I just know that it's going to continue to grow. Yeah, this is just like a really sultry holiday makeup look using Blessed in my lipstick kits that come with a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. So make sure that you go to my business page and look at that. But thank you guys for watching MUA. But yeah, I just filmed this look. This is my lipstick kit in the color Blessed, posted on my Creole Creations business account. And just to spice it up this holiday season, I just added a pigment. But again, with my lipsticks, They're not over drying, not overbearing. They're just like a perfect matte lipstick. And it's just a vibe. Y'all feeling like kissing under the mistletoe and singing Santa Baby once you put this on, like. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be uploading more looks, more tutorials, just trying to give you guys, like, you know, contemplations of my lipsticks and everything like that. But this is just a fun, sultry makeup look, and I pray that y'all get into it. And yes, I am wearing my lipstick kit in the shade Blessed. It's a very true red rouge, classic red lip, and it's just amazing how pigmented and how luxurious my products are. And you could do this with any and again, you could use any type of glitter or gloss using my lipstick kits, and you'll have the same outcome. Non-transferable, like, just great quality liquid lipsticks. And thank you guys so much for the views, subscriptions, and I pray that we continue to grow the family, you know. So just make sure you hit that subscribe button. But this makes me want to go drink hot cocoa and sing Christmas carols, because we're blessed. We're blessed.